The installation of electrical systems in various vehicles and structures is governed by specific codes tailored to their unique requirements. These include watercraft, aircraft, mobile homes, and passenger trains. For watercraft, the relevant standard is NFPA 302, which is the fire protection standard for pleasure and commercial motorcraft. This standard addresses the specific fire and electrical hazards associated with marine environments. For aircraft, several Federal Aviation Administration or FAA regulations apply. FAA FAR Part 25 outlines airworthiness standards for transport category airplanes. FAA FAR Part 29 covers airworthiness standards for transport rotorcraft. SAE AR 5414, which is the aerospace recommended practice for wiring systems in military and commercial aircraft, provides detailed guidance on aircraft wiring. For mobile homes, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, which is NFPA 70, applies. Additionally, ANSI AN 119.5, recreational vehicles, plumbing, heating, and electrical, covers recreational vehicles. For passenger trains, the IARMA Manual for Railway Engineering, specifically Chapter 14 on electrical systems, is the primary resource. IEEC 50 Guide for the selection, installation, and maintenance of electric supply systems for railroad and rapid transit systems also provides guidance. The National Electrical Code or NEC does not cover the electrical installations of watercraft, aircraft, or mobile homes because these are considered specialized applications requiring codes and standards tailored to their unique environments and hazards. There are several reasons for this exclusion. Firstly, these vehicles and structures are exposed to harsh operating conditions. These include extreme temperatures, vibrations, and other environmental factors that necessitate specialized electrical components and installation practices. Secondly, the safety concerns associated with electrical installations on watercraft, aircraft, and mobile homes differ from those in stationary buildings. For example, watercraft pose the risk of electrical shock from water immersion, while aircraft have the potential for arcing and fires at high altitudes. Thirdly, these vehicles and structures often use specialized electrical equipment. This includes aircraft alternators, marine batteries, and mobile home transformers, which are not specifically addressed by the NEC. Lastly, regulatory oversight ensures compliance. The installation of electrical systems on watercraft, aircraft, and mobile homes is overseen by specialized agencies such as the Coast Guard, the FAA, and the Recreational Vehicle Industry Association or RVIA. These agencies have established their own codes and standards for these specific applications.